Chapter 7. Function in QBASIC. A function is a subprogram designed to perform a specific task and return a value. Similarly, in QBASIC there are two types of functions: standard or library or built-in function and user-defined functions. Library functions, built-in functions, are useful in designing various programs and applications through preset built-in function present in QBASIC language, thus saving time and efforts of users. It lets programmer not to write excess of code to design applications, whereas a user-defined function is written and specified by the programmer to accomplish a particular task. They always return one value to the calling module. Let's begin with the standard functions, also known as built-in function or library functions. String functions. The combination of alphabets and numbers is known as string. The functions through which we work on these strings are known as string functions. $L and $U. The function $L converts the given string into lowercase and $U converts the given string into uppercase. Syntax: $L string, $U string. Example: output screen. Len. This len function gives you the length of the string, that is, it will give you the number of characters present in the string. Syntax: len string. Example: output screen. Left and right. These two functions are used to extract a certain number of characters from the leftmost left or rightmost right portion of a string. Syntax: left string, number of characters; right string, number of characters. Example: output screen. Mid-dollar. The mid-dollar function is used to extract the specified number of characters from the middle of a given string. Syntax: MID, dollar, string, starting position, number of characters. Example: output screen. String $. This function is used to produce a string with a certain number of repeating characters. Syntax: string $, number, character. Where number means number of times character is getting repeated, character is what you want to repeat. Example: output screen. Space. This function is used to produce the specified number of space. Syntax: space, number. Example: output screen. INSTR. This function is used to search for a string in another string. If the string is found, function will tell its position. Syntax: INSTR, main string, string to be searched. Example: output screen. str$. This function is used to convert a number into its string equivalent. It returns the string equivalent of the numeric value. Syntax: str$, number. Example: Output screen. Numeric functions. Numeric functions are functions defined to operate on numeric values, that is, they are used to work with numbers. QBASIC offers many numeric functions which simplify our work to create programs using mathematical functions or calculations. Let's study about few numeric functions. SQR. This function is used to calculate the square root of a number. Syntax. SQR number. Example. Output screen. Mod. This function is used to return the remainder on division of first number by second. Syntax. X mod Y. Example. Output screen. ABS. This function is used to find the absolute value of a number. Absolute value of a number means the number itself without any sign in front of that number. Syntax. ABS number. Example. Output screen. EXP. This function is used to calculate the exponential value, that is, raise e to some power where the value of e is 2.13. Syntax. EXP number. Example. Output screen. INT. This function is set to round off a number to the nearest integer. Syntax. INT number. Example. Output screen. SGN. This function returns the sign of the input number, that is, if the number entered by the user is positive number, it will return +1, and if the number is negative number, it will return 1. and if number entered is 0, then output will be 0. Syntax SGN number. Example: output screen. VAL. This function returns the numeric value of the string constraint. Syntax VAL string. Example: output screen.